Hi, my name's Caroline Clark and I work as a posture alignment specialist. Now, I've just written a book and so I'm just doing a few exercises that are following through with what I'm doing in the book. So today we're working on ball and sockets. So we've got a really big joint in here, which is the ball and socket joint of our shoulder. We have two major ball and sockets, which is in the shoulder and in the hips, and they do work quite alike. So what we're looking at is if you're finding it hard to lift your hands above your head and doing things like that, it usually is, your body's a unit and it's all coming from that, the body being a unit. And we're looking at, we've got to free up a lot of the other parts of the body to allow that to work. But this is actually quite gentle exercises. Now remember, if there's anything you don't think you should do, that probably means you shouldn't do it. So these are lying on your side. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you to isolate the actual muscles that we are going for. So today we're going for the little muscles all around that rotator cuff and the ball and socket. So to start with, equipment you're going to need is I am using a cushion to put my head on because I like comfort, and I'm using a little bag that's weight is about 430 grams precisely. So a tin or a can of soup will do, anything like that. When you're getting into bigger weights, which a lot of people like using bigger weights, but that's not going to get into those tiny muscle groups. It's going to use the two bigger muscle groups. So the first position is lying in fetal position. So you're lying with your knees on top of each other. You're lying that you've actually loading the bottom shoulder. I've just got my hand here to feel comfortable. Now with this exercise, you're going to put your arm into your waist. So the exercise is coming down to the ground and coming back up again. Now, if you can only get it to there, don't worry about it. If you find it hard, but I just want you to make sure that elbow is really into the waist, and we're just doing 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The second part of the exercise is a bicep curl. Straighten the arm down and then just bring the arm to you and back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So remember, we've got two sides, so we have to go on to the other side and do exactly the same. The big thing here is, does it feel different? Does it feel the same? Have you got more range of movement one side to the other? So you just want to feel all this going on. So again, elbow right into the side, head nice and comfy on the block, knees above each other, and you want some nice right angles here, so 90-degree angles, and down to the ground and up. 1. So I do these exercises quite a lot too, so I find this really nice to do. 3, 4, but again, as I say, go with your range of movement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms straight down, bicep curl back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those are the first two exercises on ball and socket pain. I'm going to go through another exercise in a minute that's going to help as well. So those are your first two, and then you'll follow the next video. So thank you for joining me. My website should be above my head now. If you want to buy my book, you can actually get it. If you look on the website, look at my website, and from my website you will actually be able to buy the book. Anyway, thank you for joining me and see you soon. Bye.